Hey guys, this is Shivam and today I'm going to show you how you can get these amazing icons on your device and get all these icons on your device. So let's get started. First of all, you need to be on iOS 14. If you don't know, I already made a video on how to install iOS 14. I'll leave a link in the description. Now head over to this website. It is called iskin.toolphone.net. You can check out here a lot of icons, themes you will get. Now I'm gonna select this one and click on that application icons. So once you've done that, now whatever application installed on your device, you need to choose those particular. Otherwise you can choose any one of them, but it is not going to open unless you install those apps. So it is going to create a dummy app, and once you select whatever apps you have installed on it already, then just go ahead and select and create generate theme. So once you've done that, now it will create a profile for you, and once the process is done, now as you can see, it will ask you to install the profile. Now it's once it's create the profile, just click allow to profile download. Now once the profile is downloaded, now head over to the setting, and now there we go, you can see profile downloaded. Otherwise you can go to general, profile device and management, and there we go. Just click on install that profile and provide your password, phone password, and now there we go, just go ahead and install it. Once it is done, go ahead and make it done, and that's it, we are done. There we go, we can see the amazing apps icons on your device. So make a point that if you already have these apps, which is by default, and you're gonna get dummy apps, so make sure you hide these apps, like by going to the jiggle mode, and there we go, you just click on untick, and now you will get only the app which you created just now. So there we go, these are the apps we just created, and it is quite simple. Now if you want, you can add go to the jiggle mode and you can add some widgets, and you can add many of them, you know that. Now let me show you another things, like if you open any app, it will take some time for animation like that. So better, what I will suggest, just go to setting, accessibility, and you need to go to the motion and just go ahead and reduce motion on. So once you've done that, now whichever app you open, it will open immediately, like without showing any animation. As you can see, it's working smooth. This way you can install multiple icons on your device. Hope you guys understand. I'll come up with a new video very soon, so don't forget to like this video. It will help me to grow. And one more thing, just go ahead and subscribe channel if you're new here. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.